Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ersya Jasmine and today I'm gonna tell you about our article and the title is The Correlation Among Reading Habits, Reading Ability and Vocabulary of English Undergraduate Students in English Online Text. This article investigates the correlation among reading habits, vocabulary mastery, and reading ability of English undergraduate students. The study specifically focuses on students' engagement with English online texts, which reflects current digital learning environment in EFL context. In this abstract, we explain about how we construct these articles, starting from introduction, result, conclusion, and suggestion. In introduction, uh, we explain about how this article made. Prior research, including those by Usnani and Sharfi in 2019, have explored the relationship between reading habits and reading comprehension. Their findings shows that while reading habits influence comprehension, the effect is not always statistically significant. Some research even reported weak or negative correlations, indicating that reading frequency alone cannot reliably predict comprehension's ability. And in this part, in research method, we use quantitative descriptive correlational design as our research design. The data collection process for this study was mainly conducted via an online questionnaire that was distributed to all participants. This instrument employed 5-point Likert scale featuring strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, and strongly disagree. The study's participants consisted of 25 English undergraduate students from the class of 2025, and this cohort was selected to analyze the reading practices and competencies of students who had recently entered university level academic reading. For the results and discussions, we divided it into two parts. First is descriptive statistics and thematic findings. In descriptive results indicate that the mean scores for all three variables are situated within the moderate to high range, with reading ability Y exhibiting the highest mean. And for these descriptive findings indicates a significant preference for narrative entertainment focused on reading materials, which could impact their overall ability scores. For the second point is analysis of regressions and correlational. The main goal was tackle using correlational and regression analysis between reading habits, reading ability, and vocabulary mastery. Here are the results. There are two tables that you can see from this PowerPoint, from this article. And for discussion part, we said that the study investigated the relationship among reading habits, vocabulary mastery, and reading ability in English online text among undergraduate EFL students. So the findings demonstrate that there are statistically significant and positive correlation among three variables. Reading habits were found to be strongly associated with reading ability, indicating the students who regularly engage in reading activities tend to develop better skills in understanding written English text. These results confirm that consistent exposure to written input facilitate the development of cognitive processes required to comprehension, such as inference making, recognizing main ideas, and interpreting textual information. And for the conclusion and suggestion part, I'm gonna read the suggestion part. The study findings yield the following recommendations. There are three recommendations. First is for educators, integrate reading habits and vocabulary, integrate structured reading activities with authentic digital text into the curriculum systematically. Provide explicit vocabulary instructions concurrently with reading tasks to enhance lexical competence and comprehension. For organizations, improve accessibility of digital resources, enhance the accessibility and availability of digital reading resources. And for students, is establish regular and intentional reading practices, active vocabulary expansions, and enhanced vocabulary through ongoing engagement with English text and the strategic applications of effective learning methods. And here are the references, and I think that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wah, 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 wah.